Hi, it's Sydney and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you stopped by. I hope you subscribe so you can join my YouTube family. We have so much fun every week talking about fashion and travel and home and beauty. There is so much here for you to play with. You can always check it out in my playlist below. I categorize everything, but let me give you a sneak peek. For fashion, every season I come out with my trend guide series. So I show you what's hot and how to wear it for fall, winter, spring, and summer. There are tons of outfit ideas and everything is easy to recreate at home for everyday life. I recently renovated my home in Los Angeles, so there is tons of home design inspo, and then I show you easy things you can do at home, whether it's seasonal decor or just decorating with my favorite type of plant, succulents. I love traveling, and my favorite part is taking you along with me. We go to the beach, we go to the mountains, we go to Fashion Week, we go to award shows, basically all over the world. There's also a beauty and wellness section on my channel. We go over my favorite beauty products, do tutorials, I share my favorite recipes, what I eat in a day, and I bring you along with me on my journey to wellness. Oh, and this is my baby boy Jack. He makes a ton of cameos over on my channel. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you subscribe so I can see you every week and you can be part of our YouTube family. Oh, and I forgot to mention, stay tuned at the end of the videos because oftentimes there's really funny bloopers.
Do leopards even meow, or what are they? Like
Like scarier.
Look kind of cheap. Oh, she just farted on my new couch.